Spring flower whispers soft and low. Rainbow paints where the wild winds go. The rain starts tapping a gentle song. Nature sings where hearts belong. Sunny days